Hello and welcome to another interesting tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle you can see here on my baby's short natural hair. So first of all, I'm going to be parting this one out. This is not a mini twist, this is kind of a medium size twist, so it's not going to be too big and it's not going to be too small. So I'm going to part this one out. This one is going to be the first one that I'm going to be twisting. So after parting it out, I'll spray some water, and mind you, I've already detangled the hair. I've already applied hair cream and combed it out before. So me doing this now is just because I want to comb out the hair again, because for natural hair, if you don't comb it out, it will shrink back. So I'm going to be parting this one into two. So that's it. I have it equally parted too. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to hold it down with rubber band. I'm going to hold this one down first, then I'm going to be holding the other one down using the rubber band. So once I'm done holding it down, I'm going to go ahead to start twisting it. I'm going to divide it into two. Then I'm going to start twisting. I'm just going to twist it, and I'll twist it all the way to the end. And once I got to the end here, I'm going to comb everything out together, then kind of twist it with my finger. Then I'm going to be adding the bead that I want. I just want to add one bead, not more than one, because I want it to be simple and colorful. So I'm going to just add one bead, and I'm going to use my rubber band to hold the bead down, just like you see there. So I'm going to repeat the same thing again on this side. I'm going to twist all the way to the end. Once I get to the end, I'm going to comb it out together, twist it with my hand, then add the bead. So after doing that, you can see how beautiful this looks. It looks very beautiful. So what I'm going to do now again is that I'm going to be parting out another one again. Let me show you one more time. So after doing this one more time, we'll proceed to the other step. So I'm just going to part this one out. Remember, I'm trying to maintain the same size. I don't want to be big and want to be small. I just want to maintain the same size all the way through. So I'm just going to comb it out again. Remember, I've already combed it out before, but if I leave it, it's going to shrink back. So this particular one that I parted, I'm going to be dividing it into three. I'm going to be dividing it into three. Hold it down with rubber band, and of course twist it and add the bead, just like we did to the first two ones we did before. So I'm just going to hold it down with rubber band, then twist it. Now, if you have watched up to this moment and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. This channel is just all about me showing different hairstyles that I made for my kids, and sometimes I just want to start putting up different hairstyles, compare different pictures of beautiful hairstyles, then post it. But majority of what I do here is showing beautiful hairstyles that I make for my kids. Now you can see how beautiful this looks like. These beads made it to be more colorful. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to section out the front part, and the guide is from the beginning of this ear here. I'm going to part it all the way through the beginning of the other hair, and as I'm doing that, I'm going to make sure that it's straight. So once I finish parting it out, I'm going to hold this one down. You can see how it is. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to leave this front one that I just parted out, and this twist I'm going to complete it on these ones here. So once I'm done, you can see it. You can see how beautiful and colorful it looks. Now let's work on the front part. So I'm going to part out the first one. It's in a slanted form. It's not straight. I slanted it. So I'm going to comb it out. Then I'm going to be weaving it down. I'm going to be braiding it down. I don't know what it's called, if it's French braid or I don't know, but what we call it here is weaving. So I'm just going to weave it. I'm going to weave it all the way to where it ends, and once I get to the place that it ends, which is here, I'm going to get one of those ones and I'll divide it into two so that I have two, and I'll start twisting, and I'll twist it all the way to the end, add the beads just like we did to the single twist. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So you can see how beautiful this first one is looking. My baby girl loves it so much. So what I'm going to do again now is that I'm going to part another one, and this another one is going to be in a slanted form. You can see how I'm showing it. I'm going to slant it again, and I'm going to part out the second one. Weave down the second one, twist it just like we did to the first one, add the beads at the end, and you can see how it is. You can see how it is now. I'm going to part out the third one in a slanted form as well. I'm going to part out the third one. So after weaving and twisting the third one, I'm going to add the beads. Now I'm going to part the hair into two equal parts. I'm going to part it from the center. You can do this first, but I didn't start with it, so I'm just going to part it into two equal parts. So I'm going to continue in a slanted form. I'm going to continue to part out, weave, add the beads, add a twist, and add the beads at the end. As you can see, I'm still doing that. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to add the beads at the end, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I have 6 here. I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the other side. You can see how beautiful this hairstyle looks. Do you like it? If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Drop a nice comment for us in the comment section. Like this video, share it to someone that might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Thank you guys so much for watching.